Our colored reed diffuser is easy to make and so eye-catching for autumn. As time goes on, your reeds will take on an ombre effect, while the scent of pumpkin spice fills your home. To make our orange pumpkin spice reed diffusers, you'll need the following: 80 grams of Duanal DPM base, 20 grams of Craftovator's pumpkin spice fragrance oil, Craftovator's orange liquid dye, a set of digital weighing scales, Craftovator's 100 ml cube clear diffuser bottle, 2 100 ml plastic or glass spouted measuring cups, 1 gold mushroom reed diffuser cap and travel plug from Craftovator, 8 white fiber diffuser reeds from Craftovator, and a set of nitrile gloves. To start, place one of your measuring cups on the scales and weigh out 80 grams of the DPM base. Pour this directly into your diffuser bottle. Use a small funnel if it's easier. Next, place your second measuring cup on the scale and weigh out 20 grams of pumpkin spice fragrance oil. Again, pour this directly into the diffuser bottle. Be sure to shake the bottle of liquid dye for around 30 seconds and then add 1 drop of dye into the same diffuser bottle. Push the travel stopper into the mouth of the bottle to securely seal. Holding the neck and base, shake well for around 30 seconds to fully combine all the ingredients. Once mixed, remove the plastic travel stopper and screw the gold cap on the bottle. Insert 8 white reeds into the bottle to complete. We would recommend flipping the reeds after 48 hours to make sure they are fully soaked. You'll notice as the reeds soak up the liquid, they'll slowly turn orange, giving you a lovely ombre effect. We'd also recommend flipping the reeds once a week or fortnightly to revive the scent and prolong the longevity of the fragrance. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Craftovator on our YouTube channel.